Everyone is looking at me. Why is that lady laughing? Why is the police officer looking at me like I am crazy? My face is completely red. What did I say wrong?
Excuse me, young man. What did you just ask me?
I asked, where is the nearest public bedroom? It is very hot today, and I spilled my cold soda on my shirt.
A public bedroom? In the middle of the street? In the summer?
Young man, you cannot sleep in a bed on the street.
No. I just want to wash my face and clean my shirt.
Son, that is a restroom. A public restroom. A bedroom is in your home with a bed.
Oh no. Restroom, not bedroom. I told 50 people I want a bed in the street. I want to disappear. Let us go back 10 minutes. I was so happy and confident. Look at this sunny day. Summer in New York is amazing. The yellow taxis, the blue sky, the smell of pizza. I studied English direction words all week. I am ready. Go straight, turn left, turn right, cross the street. Very simple. Today, my phone stays in my pocket. No map apps. Today, I will talk to real people. What could go wrong? Excuse me, sir. Good morning.
Morning. Quick, please. I have 30 seconds before my meeting.
Could you tell me, how do I get to the Central Library?
Sure. Go straight, left at the corner, right on 42nd, past the bakery, cross the street. Boom. Big building. Have a great day.
Boom? Why did he say boom? Is the library broken? He spoke so fast. Okay, let me ask someone who is walking slowly. Excuse me, do you know where the library is?
Sure. You turn left at the next street.
Left? No, honey. The library is to the right. The bank is on the left. The library is on the right, next to the ice cream shop.
The ice cream shop closed last year.
Excuse me, should I go left or right?
Right.
Left.
Thank you both. I will just go straight. Excuse me, sir.
Hello, buddy. Hot dog or cold water?
Just directions, please. How do I get to the library?
Very easy. First, walk straight past the pizza place.
Go straight past the pizza place.
Then, turn right at the burger shop.
Turn right at the burger shop.
Walk 1 block until you see the donut shop. The library is across from the donut shop.
Are all your directions made of food?
I love food. Pizza, burger, donut, library.
Thank you. Now I know the way, and I am also very hungry. Okay, I see the burger shop, but where is the donut shop? Excuse me, sir, is the library near here?
Oh, thank goodness. Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. Are you lost too?
I am looking for Central Park. A man told me to walk straight, and now I only see tall buildings.
Sir, your map is upside down. Oh, no wonder the park was at the bottom. Good luck, my friend. We are both lost today. Excuse me, miss.
Hello. Don't worry, my dogs are very friendly.
They are very cute. Do you know how to get to 42nd Street?
Yes, it is very close. Walk along this park path.
Along the park path?
Yes, turn left at the big water fountain. 42nd Street is right outside the park gate.
Turn left at the fountain. That sounds very easy and cool.
Have a great day in the park.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes? What can I do for you?
Where is 5th Avenue?
Cross the street here. The sidewalk is closed on this side.
Cross the street? Yes, use the crosswalk. Then go straight for 2 blocks.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Stay hydrated in this sun.
He was very loud, but his English was very clear.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, young man. It is a warm day, isn't it?
Yes, it is very sunny. Could you please tell me where the Central Library is?
Of course, dear. Walk straight down this sidewalk for 2 minutes.
2 minutes straight.
Yes. Wait for the white light before you cross the street. The cars are fast today.
I will wait for the light.
The library is a huge white stone building. It has 2 big stone lion statues in front of the door.
2 lions?
Yes, dear. You cannot miss them.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.
The sun is so strong out here. Oh, the subway stairs. Excuse me, sir.
Hello. How can I help you today? Can I walk through this station to get to the other side of the street? To stay out of the sun?
Yes, you can. Walk down the hallway, turn right, and take the stairs up to 5th Avenue. No ticket needed, buddy. Just follow the green exit signs.
Thank you, sir. That is much cooler than walking in the sun. Excuse me, is this 5th Avenue?
Yes, 5th Avenue. Where are you going?
I am looking for the big building with the lion statues.
Look down the street. See that traffic light 2 blocks away?
Yes, I see the traffic light.
The library is on the corner, right next to the park. Light is green. I must go. Bye.
2 blocks away. I am almost there.
I made it. No phone, no Google Maps. Just real English conversations with real people. I met a fast businessman, a couple who argued about left and right, and a hot dog seller who gave me food directions. Remember, making mistakes in English is normal. It is okay if people laugh, and it is okay to say the wrong word. Just smile, say excuse me, and try again. Thank you for watching my summer adventure in New York.